That sport is really interesting, it's amazing because it's playing golf, but with a football and on the golf course. So it's enjoyable for everybody.
Šport je super, je mlad šport, nov šport in je zanimiv. No?
Čist drugi svet grem, ko se igral.
It's amazing. It's my, I think that's 5 times per row, so I'm very happy for that. I love the people here, the course.
I'm really grateful and I thanks the whole organization team.
Organizacija je super, lokacija je super, kot cel dogodek, kot celota se mi zdi zelo v redu in v bistvu nimam pripomb. No.